Senator Duffy's lawyer got aggressive in court today, accusing witness Nigel Wright of manipulation, deceit, and conspiring in secret to use taxpayer money to repay the senator's controversial expense claims. Attorney Donald Bain repeatedly went after Wright for lack of common sense, being two-faced, and committing donor fraud by trying to pay Duffy's debt with money from the Conservative Fund. Wright has repeatedly testified that Prime Minister Harper had no knowledge of these plans, but the opposition says it doesn't matter.
The role of a leader is to take responsibility and hold those persons accountable when things mess up. Well, in the case of Marjorie Le Breton or Ray Novak or Irving Gerstein, Mr. Harper has not done that at all. We now know that these people were intimately involved in the Prime Minister's effort to camouflage and cover up the story. And what has he done? He's rewarded people with promotions.
Email evidence from 2013 shows Wright and other PMO staffers using phrases like public agony, Chinese water torture, and staunch the bleeding in relation to the Duffy scandal. Vancouver Observer Editor-in-Chief Sandy Garasino has more.
Well, we've traveled very far from the biblical times of 2 days ago when Nigel Wright was quoting the Bible, Matthew 6, as his rationale for doing good deeds and paying Duffy's Senate expenses. Today, Donald Bain, defense counsel, threw those words back at him as he painted a Prime Minister's office obsessed with control, secrecy, diversion of party funds, and with orchestrating lies, actually coordinating and orchestrating a statement by Duffy to be delivered on national television where he says that he's going to repay the funds, even though everybody involved knows that those funds are supposed to, at that point, to be coming from the Conservative Party funds.
As we've just heard from Sandy Garasino, it has been a very interesting day in court today. The Mike Duffy trial now wraps up for the weekend to continue on Monday at 10 a.m. It's not clear how long the trial will last after the summer, but speculators are starting to say it could continue well into 2016. Elizabeth McSheffrey, National Observer, Ottawa.